Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Module uses the Print Setup dialog box to select a printer and access your printer driver settings, set the page orientation, and set the paper size for print jobs. To access the Print Setup dialog box, click the Page Setup button under the left panel grouping in the Print module. To select a printer in the Print Setup dialog box, use the Name drop-down menu in the Printer section of the dialog box. To view the printer's specific settings and properties, click the Properties button to the right of the Name menu to open a printer-specific dialog box. This dialog box often lets you set additional printing options for the selected printer. Sometimes the printer offers a setting for adjusting the scale value. If you change the scale of photos in the printer's dialog box, Lightroom Classic CC applies a secondary scaling operation in addition to other scaling you set. Therefore, use the scale setting in the printer's Properties dialog box cautiously, as secondary scaling can cause photos to print at unexpected sizes. After setting any printer-specific properties, you can click the OK button that appears in these printer-specific dialog boxes to apply your changes and return to the Print Setup dialog box. In the Print Setup dialog box, you can then finish setting the properties for the print job. To select a paper size, choose a paper size from the Size drop-down in the Paper section of the dialog box. If you have a multi-tray printer, you may also be able to select a source tray for the print job from the Source drop-down in the Paper section. To set the page orientation, click either Portrait or Landscape in the Orientation section of the dialog box. Then click the OK button to save the settings and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.